In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count colored cells in Excel. If you've ever used cell colors in Excel to track status, progress, or priority, you've probably noticed that Excel doesn't always make it obvious how to count those colored cells directly. A simple workaround is to filter by color first, and then use a formula to count only the visible cells. That's exactly what we're going to do here. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet that contains your colored data. Once you're there, select the data range you want to work with. Make sure you include the column that contains the colored cells along with the header row, since that will make filtering much easier. Next, go to the Data tab at the top of Excel. In that ribbon, click Filter. This adds filter arrows to your column headers and lets you sort or narrow down your data in different ways, including by color. After that, find the status column and click the filter arrow in that header. From the menu that appears, choose Filter by Color. Excel will show you the available cell colors being used in that column. Select the green color so that only the rows with green cells remain visible. At this point, your sheet will display just the entries that match that green fill color. Now go to an empty cell where you want the count to appear. In that cell, type the following formula: equals subtotal open parenthesis 103, comma B2, colon B6, close parenthesis. This formula counts only the visible, non-empty cells in the selected range, which is why it works so well after applying a color filter. In other words, once the green rows are filtered and visible, the subtotal result gives you the count of those green colored entries. One important tip is to make sure the range in your formula matches your actual data. If your colored values are in a different column, or if your list extends beyond row 6, update the formula range accordingly. The key idea is that the formula should point to the cells you want counted after filtering. And that's it. By combining filter by color with the subtotal function, you can quickly count colored cells in Excel without needing any advanced formulas or add-ins. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.